Hi guys, welcome back to Estella Wilson Creations. I know I said I wasn't going to decorate at all, but I couldn't help myself as I was going through stuff. I did decorate a little bit, so I hope you enjoy my home. Those came from outside. I love that idea. So we just got home from our trip and we have to run some errands because we are starting on the remodel of the kitchen. So of course I had to hit Dollar Tree. So this is going to be like a shop with me just to see what they have at the Dollar Tree. And then we're going to head to Lowe's to check out some countertop. So we are still in the beginning stages of fixing our kitchen. We didn't know if we needed new cabinets or if we were going to try to paint our old cabinets. So we're looking around at the prices and seeing what's in stock and if we need to order anything. We do want some new quartz countertops, and so I really want that. I will settle for laminate, but I really don't want laminate. So we'll see where we're at with that.
Stuff on your YouTube.
Hi guys. My brother-in-law is changing some rotors, right? Yep. Rotors?
Brakes and
on this, brakes and rotors on this Jeep Liberty.
That shit easy.
My brother-in-law has no intention on being famous, but he wouldn't accept my money, so I said I'm going to put him on my video. So hopefully he gets some exposure here, or he just, appreciate that I appreciate him. So thanks, Casey.
So these are called safeties.
Okay. And what do the safety do?
When you start hearing that squeaking, that means
it
it's
rubbing
rubbing up against this area.
Oh.
And it's letting you know it's time to change.
So them the ones I'm gonna need.
These are safeties. And
now he putting the nuts back on. Whatever. Look at my brother-in-law with all his tools. He a part-time mechanic. This is his hobby. I said they need a hobby that can make some money. How you got a hobby? Wait, babe, he finna put that up. I'm finna watch him lift it. Hey, I don't know why you looking at her car. That's just gonna make you mad, Mr. Clean. Go ahead, so your blood pressure can go up.
I'm gonna leave that for you. I'm not stressing.
Yes, you will. They think you can fix it. Oh, look at that.
That's serious, check.
You should have Bay do that. You want him to do that?
it's done.
Oh, okay. Well, he here. You learn how to use your assistants, especially since you ain't charging them.
Here you go. You can do it. I'll show you how to do it.
How you gonna do brakes? You think anybody can do this? We don't got all these tools.
Yeah, you can do it.
We don't have these tools. Look at that triangle thing. Don't know what that's called. We don't got that.
Thing.
Don't got that.
Jackson.
Okay, here we go, guys. We go. See him take it off.
Jackson.
1, 2. Some more people that Carl didn't have that.
They may just roll past him. Man, you see the baby on the walk, bro?
Yeah.
Okay, my brother-in-law said that is metal to metal. Don't really understand. I mean, I see it, but... So you're saying the brake is hitting the rotor?
Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
That's where the noise coming from.
Okay.
See how that look?
How long do brakes last?
Them back brakes last
Forever,
5
damn
years.
near. The front's what wear out.
Oh. Okay.
The front is what goes.
This can't fall, can it?
The front is
This thing.
That's why I got this.
No, this thing over here.
No, that's why.
Okay, because I'm standing over here. I don't want to kill you. Then my sister going to say, I killed her husband. I'm being... She gonna thank you.
We're really going on vacation now.
Lily ain't gonna thank me.
She's going to be like, you killed my husband. So we are going to end today's vlog here. You never know what you're going to get on our channels. We got DIYers, fix it yourself, do it yourself people all in our family. So that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.